Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. These are the contents we are going to see in this video. First, the daily to-do list. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Now we are going to see a triangular sitting arrangement puzzle. 6 persons are sitting around a triangular table. Triangular sitting arrangement, okay. In such a way that 3 persons sitting on the 3 sides and facing outside, while the other 3 are sitting on the 3 corners and facing inside. So the diagram will be the middle person's sides facing outside. These are facing outside and these people are facing inside. Okay, let's note the rough statements in the side. H sits second to the right of G. H sits second to the right of G. G, who is employed in CBI. G, CBI. Only 2 persons are sitting between K and F. J sits second to the right of the one who is employed in SBI. SBI right side second one is J. G is neither an immediate neighbor of F nor immediate neighbor of J. I is not employed in UBI. I not UBI. K is not employed in SBI. K not SBI. J neither employed in RBI nor in BOM. J RBI nor BOM, Bank of Maharashtra. The one who is employed in BOM faces inside. So BOM is in corner. The one who employed in OBC sits second to the right of the one who employed in RBI. RBI second to the right is OBC. Let's start with this one. There is 2 people between K and F, so we can able to make 2 possibilities. F at the center, F in the middle, or F in the corner. I'll take F in the middle. Let's see. It is K. This one is completed. G is not immediate to F, so it is not placed for G. It is also not placed for G. So there is only 2 places where we can place G. If we place G here, G second to the right person is H, so it will be the H place. If we place G here, second to the right is H, it is not placed for H, so this is the only possible place for G and H. Now G is not immediate neighbor of J, so it is not place for J, it is the place for J, and the remaining alphabet is I. We have G is CBI. G works in CBI, and J sits second to the right of SBI. So this is SBI. I employed in SBI. Okay, this one is completed. Next one. J does not belongs to RBI nor BOM. This is not BOM, but BOM is in the corner. This one is SBI. This is not a BOM, so it is the only possible for BOM. K is working in BOM. Okay, this also completed. RBI right side one is OBC. Then it is RBI and right side, sorry, it is RBI and right side second one is OBC. This one is also completed. So what is the left to with? We left with UBI. So J is UBI. K does not be SBI. K not SBI. RBI right side OBC. Okay, all are completed. Let's see the questions. Who sits second to the left of the one who is employed in BOM? BOM is K. Left side second one is the left side second one is J. So answer will be J. Okay. Who employed in SBI? I employed in SBI. J works in which bank? J works in UBI, Union Bank of India. Next one. Who sits immediate left of I? Immediate left of I is G, or the employee who employing in SBI, CBI. CBI G. Inequalities. We'll go through the answers directly, questions directly. O to U. O to U, it is traveling. So it is true. X to K. X to K, it is traveling. Yes, it is true. L to H. L to H, it is traveling. Yes, it is true. I to Q. I to Q, it is traveling. True. K to G. K, it is flowing up to G. Yes, it is true. From G to T, it is not flowing the opposite direction. So it is false. H to A. H, it cannot go to A. So false. X to G to X. G to X, it is going. So it is true. Next one. D to H, it is going to H, but everywhere there is equal to also. So individual cases these fails. By combining these two, we get a combination of this one, and this is the combination given in the question. So it will be either or case. Syllogisms. Question number 1. Some mouse are cockroach. Some mouse are cockroach. No mouse is ant. No mouse is ant. Only ant is B. So B is inside ant and doesn't share with anything except ant. Conclusions. Some ant is not mouse. All ant can be mouse possible. All ant can be mouse. No. So all case fails. So it will be true. Some cockroach is not ant. All cockroach can be ant possible. All cockroach can be ant. No, it doesn't possible. And all cases fails here, so it is true. All fruit is vegetable. All fruit is vegetable. No vegetable is nut. No nut is grain. Some grain is fruits is a possibility. Some grain is fruit is a possibility. Yes, it is true. Some vegetable is not grain. All vegetable can be grain possible. All grain, all vegetable can be grain. Yes, it is possible. All case possible here, so it is false. Next one. All oil is butter. All oil is butter. Some butter is cheese. All cheese is mayonnaise. Conclusions. No cheese is oil. Some oil can be cheese is possible here, so it is fails. All oil being cheese is a possibility. All oil can be cheese. Possibility, yes, it is true. Some cycle is car. Cycle, car. All car is bus. Some bus is van. Conclusions. Some cycle is van. Direct conclusion, no relation between cycle and van, so it is false. No van is cycle. Here, some cycle can be van possible, so this case also fails. But on either case, some no is here, van, cycle and cycle, so it is either or case. All socks is shoe. All socks is shoe. All shoe is gloves. All gloves is mittens. Conclusions. All gloves is socks. Reverse. It fails. All mittens is shoe is a possibility. All mittens is shoe is a possibility, as it is true. Now we are going to see some miscellaneous questions in reasoning. This is an alphanumeric series. And which among the following symbols are there in the given series, each of which is immediately followed by a letter and immediately preceded by a number? So asking about symbol followed by means next to it is a letter and immediately preceded by a number. Before it is number. So symbol before number, after is alphabet. Symbol before number is number. It is not alphabet. So it is not. It is symbol before is, we need to get a number. Symbol before number is a number. Before one is number and after one is letter. So it is 1. So the symbol is, we get this symbol before number, and after alphabet, as it is true, at the rate. Here symbol before number, after alphabet, so percentage also comes. We have all A, C and D is an option. A, C and D, this is the options. So option B is true here. What is the sum of even numbers are there in the given series? Even numbers, let it be 2, each of which is immediately preceded by a letter. Here it will be letter. Even number before one is letters, but not immediately followed by symbol. After the even number there will not be symbol. This even numbers sum asked in the question. Let's see the series. Even number, where is even number? It is even number before one is alphabet. There is no alphabet in the before. Even number before one is alphabet, but after one doesn't be a symbol, so it is 2. So we get 2 here. 2 plus even number, where is even number? 4. Before one is alphabet, next one is symbol, so it is fails. Here it is 2 even number, before one is alphabet, after one is also alphabet, so we can take this 2, and there is no any even number, so our answer will be 4, option C. Now moving for question number 3. Which of the following element is 8th to the right of the element which is 9th from the left hand of the given series? If we see a question like this, first go with the end one, 9th from the left hand. Okay, then we'll see this one. If we see a right and left combination, we need to add both the numbers 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. And from which direction? We need to see with the question mark side, left end. So 17th from left end. We see the end topic here. We place this one from left end. not the first one. So 17th from the left hand. Let's count to in the series. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. At the rate is our answer. So option D is answer. Here I said if it is right and left, then we add the things. If we see the same things, we'll do minus in between them. Okay. And after doing the sum or minus, we'll go with the end one, not the first one. We'll go with the end one. Speed math tricks. We have learned 40 to 60 squares remembering trick in the first class of my video, and we have learned 25 to 75 squares trick, and the trick is we compare the number with 50 and applying on 25. Let's see with an example. 42 square we compare with 50. It is 8 less than 50, so applying on 25. 25 minus 8, it will be how much? 17. And 8 square, which is 64. This is the answer. Let's see this. 63 square, it is 13 more than 50. So adding 13 to the 25, we get 38. 13 square, which is 169. So our value will be 9693, 3969. So these squares are from 25 to 75. This is the trick. Now let's see 75 to 125 squares trick. In this trick, we'll compare with the 100 and applying on the given number. Means let us see with the example. It is 98. We'll compare with the 100. It is 8 less than 100. So applying on the given number. So 92 minus 8, which will be 84, and 8 square, which is 64. Okay, let's see with this question. 108 square. 108 square means it is 8 more than the 100, and applying on the same number means 8. It will be 116, and 8 square, which is 64. This is the answer. Now let's see how to square a number ending with the 5. Example, this one, 45 square. Here the ending is 5. Then we'll write 25, which is 5 square at the end, and adding 1 to this one, it will be 5. 5 4 times is 20. This is the answer. Let's see this one, ending with 5. So we'll write 5 square 25, adding 1, 8. 8 7 times is 56. Okay, these are the square values ending with the 5. This is not only for the ending values with 5. These are also be for not only these multiply. This trick is not only for these only. We can use this trick for these numbers. Multiplying two numbers whose tens place is same and units place sum is 10. Let's see an example. Here the tens place is same and units place sum is 10. Then also we will do the same trick we used in the above concept. It is 9 1 times is 9, 0 9. Adding 1 to 4, which is 5. 5 4 times is 20, 2 0 0 9. This is the answer for this one. Next one, if we see a unit digit sum is 10 and tens place is same, add 1 to this one. 5 6 times is 30, 7 3 times is 21. This is the answer for this multiplication. So these are the concepts of about the squares. Now let's see how to find a square root. We already teached you how to find a square root in the previous videos. Let's see the unit digits for the squares. 1 square will be 1, 2 square will be 4, 3 square unit digit is 9, and these are the unit digits for the square numbers. Now how to do is, it is 1, so 9 or 1 will be the end unit digit. Leave 2 digits, it is 98. 98 means which is near square of 98. It will be 9 square. If it is 10 square, it is 100. 100 is more than 98, so we'll take the number which is lesser than this number, so it will be 91 or 99. Okay, I already teach you how to find a 95 square which is ending with 5. 25, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 9 times is 90. 90 25, which is lesser than this number, so this number is greater than 95 square, so our answer will be 99. Let's see this one. It is 6. 6 means either 4 or 6 will be the unit digit. Leaving 2 digits, 88. Near square is 9. 9 square 81. We know that 95 square value is 90 25. This number is less than this one, so this number must be lesser than 95 square, so our answer will be 94. Now how to find the cube roots. I have already taught you these things before. These are the unit digits for the cubes. Here it is 7. 7 means unit digit is 3, leaving 3 digits, and it is 250. 250 is a near square of 6, which is 216. So this is the answer for this one. Let's see this. It is 8, means it will be the unit digit is 2, leaving 3 digits. It is 74. 74 means 4 square, which is 4 cube which is 64, so it will be 42. Answer will be 42. Okay, let's see a small trick for this question. If we see a percentage, a single zero, a 5 multiple and a 2 multiple, divide this number with 5 multiple. 5 13 times, this will be 2 7 times, this will be the answer 91. Seeing to this one, percentage, single zero, 2 multiple and 5 multiple. 5 15 times, and this will be 2 14 times. We get 210 as our answer. Simplifications question number 1. 1936, which is 44 plus 1521, which is 39, plus this will be 561 equals to, let's leave this as 11 into 19 means 209 minus 5x. So this will be 209, so we get 9922. This 5x comes this side, these all comes this side, with 44 minus 39 minus 561. 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 minus 19 means we get 5. Okay, 8 minus, this will be 7, 7 plus 6 13, 18 minus 13, we get 15, we get 5. It is 1. This is 1. 1 minus 5 means 11 minus 5, we'll get 6, and it is 1. 1 6 55. 5 3 times, 3 times and 1 time. 331 is our answer, option B. Question number 2. 1044 divided by, this is 29, so plus this will be I have teached you how to make this one. Percentage 5 multiple, single zero and 2 multiple. 5 multiple, 5 3 times and 5 1 times. 2 14 times. 14 1 times is 14. 14 3 times is 42, 43. 434 minus x equals to 441. 29 3 times is 87. 13 plus 4 17. 174. 174 means 29 6 times. So 36 plus 4 34. This comes this side 441 and it will goes that side. We have this is 470 minus 444 equals to 441. So x value will be 9 2 29. Option D. Going for question number 3. 7956 divided by 9 into 13 plus 15 5 times is 75. 15 4 times is 60. 675 equals to 29x plus 47. Here it is 13 6 times 78. So 15 means 1 time 12 2 6 1 2. 9 5 times is 9 6 times is 54 and 8 times 72. 68 plus 675 minus 47 equals to 29x. Here 8 minus 7 will be 1. 1 plus 5 6. 6 minus 4 2. 2 plus 7 9. 6 will be 29x. 29 2 times is 58. So 116. 116 means 4 times. So answer will be A 24. Going for question number 4. 18 square, which is 324 and it is 441 plus 1331 equals to 6x minus this will be 1/3 of 876. 2 times 9 times and 2 times. This comes this side. So 292. This 324. Total we get 6 plus 1 7. This will be 11 plus 3 14. 3 9 1947 minus 441. We get 605 1506 equals to 6x. 6 2 times is 12. We get 30. 5 times and 110. 251 is our answer. Option E. Question number 5. 25% of 4 power 5. 25% means 1/4. And it is 4 power 5 means we get 4 power 4 plus 4 power 4 is nothing but 64 4 times. For 4 times is 16 4 24 256. This is 1/3 of 3 power 4. It becomes 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. This 25 comes this side and it will be plus 25 whole equals to 11x. Here the value will be 12 plus 6 18. This will be 10. 308. 11 2 times and 8 times. Answer will be option C 28. Quadratic equations. Question number 1. Multiply this with 2. 6x square minus 23 23 46 47 x plus 90 91 equals to 0. Here it is 13 7 times and into 6 we need to get 47. If it is 2 times and 3 times, This will be 26 and 21. 26, 21, and the roots are in positive. So these are the roots. In this equation, we'll divide 60 with the 3. 60 divided by 3 means 20. So we need to get 9. 5 4 times, and we multiply with root 3. By comparing these two, we need to multiply this with the 6. 6 5 times is 30 root 3. 4 6 times 24 root 3. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. If you have any confusion how to compare these, let's make this into square. Let it make the squares. Everyone is squares. This becomes 270 26 square 676. This will be 441. Here it is 900 3 times 2700. Here it is 24 square, which is 576 into 3. These numbers are greater than these numbers, so x is lesser than y. Or else we can compare like this. If we see a root 3, which is nearly a square of 4, nearly a square of 2, so 32 times is 60. It is 24 2 times is 48. These are 26 and 21, so these are lesser than this one. Or else, next we are going to see question number 2. 6x square minus 36x plus 48 equals to 0. This will be 8 6 times, and we have another 6. We make this 6 into 3 into 2. It will be 18 and 16. No, it 3 times 24 and 12. These are the roots, and the roots are in positive. Here it is 5. This will be 25 5 times, and this is 5 25 times. Roots are in positive. We need to make the base equal, so it is into 5 into 6. This will be 150 150. Here it will be plus 60 and plus 120. So by comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Third one, here it is 3 into 28. Let it be 14 2 times, and another 3. We have 14 and 6, not the 25. 28. Let it dividing as 7 into 2. Now 21 4 times is the roots, and roots are in positive. Here 189 11 9 18 19 times. Sorry, 9 21 times, and this is 7 3 times. We get 9 3 times 27 7. These are the roots, and the roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we will multiply this with 3. This will be 81, and this will be 21. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Let's see question number 4. In this, it is minus and positive. The roots are in positive. Here the roots will be negative. By comparing these two, x is greater than y. Moving with question number 5. Let's multiply this equation with 5. 5x square minus 23x plus this will be 24 equals to 0. Now this will be 120. 120 means 15. 8 times is 120, and the roots are in positive. Here the roots are in negative. These roots are positive, these roots are negative. X is greater than Y. 5 mixed arithmetic questions. First question: two trains are running in opposite direction with the same speed. So relative speed will be same speed means S and S. So S plus S is 2S. Relative speed is S. Distance means length. Length means L1 plus L2. If the length of each train is 120 meters, 120 meters means both the trains have same length, 120 and 120, which is 240 meters, and they crossed each other in 12 seconds. So we need to find the speed of the train in kilometers per hour. So it will be 12, 20 times to 10 times. We get S equals to 10 meters per second. To convert meters per second into kilometers per hour, we will multiply this with 18 by 5. We get 5, 2 times to 18 times is 36 kilometers per hour. Option C. Question number 2. Two pipes A and B can fill a water tank in 20 and 24 minutes. A, B, 20 and 24 minutes. And a third pipe can empty at a rate of 3 gallons per minute. Third pipe empties if A, B and C are opened together to fill the tank in 15 minutes. So all A, B, C can complete in 15 minutes. Average, the LCM of these are 120. This is 8 times, this is 5 times, and this will be 6 times. 6 plus 5 will be 11. 11 becomes 8. So it will be minus 3. Minus 3 means C value, which is 40. 43 times is 120. So minus 40. What is the question? Find the capacity of the tank. Here C can empty at the rate of 3 gallons per minute. So for 1 minute it can empty 3 gallons. Here C can empty the total in 40 minutes. So in 40 minutes how many gallons he can completely empty? The means 43 times, which is 120 gallons. So this is the capacity of the tank, 120 gallons. Option C. Now moving with question number 3. The average wage of 500 workers was found to be 200. So average will be 500 into 200, which will be 5 2 times is 10 and 1 2 3 4. This is the total wage. It was discovered that the wage of 2 workers was misread as 180 and 20 instead of 80 and 220. Here the correct value is 80 and 220. Total value is 80 plus 220 is 300. Correct. Misread means wrong one. Misread value is 180 and 20. Some value is 200. So there is a error of 100 is here. So adding 100 to this one, 100 100 is the correct value. Okay. Now what we need to find? The correct average wage. Total how many people? 500. Okay, we get 5 2 times 0 0.2 times. This is the answer. Question number 4. Vessel A and B contains mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 4:5. A. Milk water 4:5. B. Milk water in the ratio of 5:1. In what ratio should quantities of mixture be taken from A and B to form a mixture in which milk and water? Another part, milk and water in the ratio of 5:4. In what ratio we need to mix? Here it is Let's take any one part. I'll take milk. Here it is 4 divided by total 9. A part value is 4 by 9. B value 5 by 6. Here 5 by 9. To make the bases into a simple number, we'll multiply this with 9 and 6. 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Cancel, cancel, cancel. We get 24. This is 9. 5 times is 45. This will be 30. So here the difference is 15 is to 25 and 30. The difference is 6. 3 2 times and 3 5 times. The ratio will be 5 is to 2. Option C. If it is clumsy, we get A 24, B 45, and the total must be 30. So it will be 15 is to 6. Okay. Next, question number 5. If the compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 3% per annum is 101.50, compound interest 3% means total rate is 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 by 100. In compound interest, the total interest rate is, we get this, which will be 6.09%. Total rate 6.09%. 6.09%, the interest will be 101.50. Then simple interest on the same sum. Okay, a particular sum, we get a interest of this one at this rate. At that same sum, we need to find the here the rate will be same. So rate will be 3 for 2 years, means 6. We need to find 6% value. So this 6.09% value is 101.50 and it is x. So x value will be 101.50 into 6 divided by 6.09. 2.03 times 3 2 times. This will be 5 times, 0 times, 50 times. 52 times is 100. So our answer will be 100, option C. Thanks for watching.